Taking a look at Bitcoin on the live stream. So, I mean, we are getting some sort of retracement right now, but it's okay. Everything's okay. Bitcoin is still at 106,000. So, I think that's the biggest thing that we need to focus on is the fact that it's still at 106,000. So, obviously, altcoins are getting chopped up. Any sort of move down by Bitcoin is going to take altcoins down. But so far, so good for Bitcoin. My target on the upside are still valid at between 130 and 140,000. And in terms of areas of support and areas that it absolutely needs to stay over, the targets are still holding at around 95.5 and around 1015. So the box is still holding, which is very, very, very bullish in my opinion. You're still making higher lows and higher highs across the board. This thing looks like it's getting ready to basically go nuclear. However, we know we could get a big capitulation down, and that could be the top, and that could be it too. So just be careful, and just like how we all want it to go up, it could easily just come back down too. So just as long as you remember that. But so far, based on this trajectory, making higher highs, higher lows, and based on this chart, it does look bullish. So until it gives us reason, until we start forming lower highs and lower lows across the board, like we did from 2021 to 2023, then there's no point in saying, oh, it's bearish. There's no point in calling the top because technically we've been making higher highs across the board on the macro time frame. So that's the most important thing. And then on the weekly, again, nothing too crazy, nothing really happening here on the stock RSI and RSI. One last thing that we like to look at here is the Bitcoin dominance. We're obviously just waiting for. Usually I look at it on the daily, but it's so much data that I do like to look at it on the weekly. So we are literally waiting for this move right here for Altseason, because usually when this happens and when Bitcoin dominance does drop, then that's when we do get Altseason. So how high can it go? I mean, some people are saying back up to 74%. Some people are saying back up all the way up here, which I don't know, but we are getting close. We're getting very close before the Bitcoin dominance. Before we do get some sort of capitulation on the Bitcoin dominance. With that being said, I will keep you guys updated as always. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.